Wow, look at all the yummy fruits and vegetables we have. Let's cut them up. Here's an avocado. This is cabbage. Here's an apple. Healthy broccoli. Here's a red tomato. This is a purple eggplant. Here's a white and green cauliflower. Here's an orange. These are peas. Here's an orange carrot. Here's an ear of corn. So yummy. This is a yellow banana. White, brown, pink, green, so many scoops of ice cream. Let's see what we have. Green, pink, white, brown, red, blue, purple, another blue, yellow, orange,
Funnest toys.